Do you want to see how I revert my curls from this to this? Well, keep watching so you can have a healthy silk press as well. In today's video, we're getting into how I achieved this silk press, okay? So stay tuned. Hey sis, welcome to Hair and Hammers. I'm Marlena. I'm a licensed master cosmetologist and I'm your internet hair bestie. On this channel, I teach you how you can do your hair yourself at home using the same tools and techniques that I use on my clients behind the chair. Let down your hair, sis. You're safe here. Okay, so I have my hair parted into 4 sections. I'm just going to use my detangle brush. This is a new brush that I got by Cricut and I love it. It has like this aerodynamic arm and it just helps because your hand isn't straight, so it allows you to, like, especially when you're in the shower, to kind of curve with the shape of your head. So I really, really love it. And the bristles are super soft, not pulling your hair out. I like to get my conditioner on through my hair before I go into the hydration machine, okay? So you're starting the process of smoothing your cuticle down by doing this. Always want to make sure your hair is super saturated with conditioner. And when you're putting your conditioner on your hair should still be wet because you want that slip. You want the slip. So today's shampoo conditioner cocktail is, I clarified twice with the Amika Reset, and then I use the Amika Frizz Me Not as a smoothing shampoo. And then after that, I use my Hydrate, I actually have that right here, conditioner by Pureology. So you can mix up your products and the different treatments that you want. I want smoothing, I want hydration, right? So I just mixed it. And a new thing that I've been doing, which I've been loving, is I'll add a little oil to my conditioner, like the seal in the conditioner, before I get into the hydration treatment. This one is a Pureology Glow Catcher. It's my first time using this one. Typically, the last 2 times that I've used it, I did it with the Olaplex one. But I saw this one, I'm like, let me try it. And it says glow, we love to glow. But there are a couple of drops, and I'm just gonna mainly focus on the ends. You gotta realize your ends way more love because they have been through it, okay? They've been pressed so many times. I'm just gonna pin my hair up on both sides. Steaming. I'm gonna sit in the hair for like 15 minutes. So Nano Mist Hydration is a game changer, okay? It delivers ultra-fine moisture that actually penetrates the hair shaft instead of just sitting on top. It helps rehydrate your curls, reduce frizz, and restore the softness to your hair after heat. Okay, so I want you guys to see how my hair was before, right? Because when I was in the shower, I was putting the conditioner in and stretching my hair with the brush. And so when I came on camera, it looked like my curls were super loose. But as you can see, doing that steam, it helps to bring back your curls, right? So my curls are, you know, they're juicier, right? You can see, like before, my ends were super straight and now you can see they're curled. And that is why, my friend, you guys need a hydration machine, okay? You need a Nano Mist hydration machine to keep your curls healthy, okay? This is my hair and I still have color, right? That loosens your curl. I still have an amino acid smoothing treatment that really loosens your curl. And I still have my curls. My hair is still here. You know, before it may look like, oh, She got three, no, baby, my hair is in the fours, okay, and it's different everywhere, okay, in the middle is way thicker, but you can see, okay. Okay, ladies, I am back fresh out of the shower. Well, not super fresh out of the shower. It's been like 15 minutes because I did a quick little beat, which is also great to do while you're waiting for your hair to get a little bit dry, okay? What I do when I get out of the shower is I put my hair into this microfiber towel, okay? So when I get out of the shower, I cover my hair with the microfiber towel and I roll the ends around, and then I just literally put it in a clip to hold it. Now my hair would start drying at this time. And it's also helping it to lay down because we want smooth hair. So you're gonna see me take my towel off and you're gonna be like, girl, what happened to your hair? So you saw what my hair looked like when I washed it, right? When I got out of the shower and I washed my hair before I sat in the steamer. And then you saw my hair, what it looked like after the steamer. And this is what it looks like when I take my hair out of the towel. And it's a good bit dry for just 15 minutes too. Now you see how it's like, it almost looks like it's already blow dry, right? I didn't really do anything. All I did was when I'm in the shower, when you're rinsing that conditioner out, you must use a detangle brush. This helps your hair to be smooth. Your hair needs to be soaking wet, so you need to be under that under that shower head, or it could be a rain head, under that shower head and be brushing your hair, okay? Keep your hair smooth. Keep it smooth. You want it to be soaking wet when you're doing this. And then you get that towel and you wrap that towel around your hair while your hair is soaking wet. I'm telling you, I don't know the science behind it, but it just works, and it works for me, and I feel like it'll work for you. Again, this is like my new favorite detangle brush. I love it because it has this aerodynamic arm to it. So when you're going on around your head, it's just smooth compared to like a brush with just a flat handle. All right, so now I'm going to put product on my hair. And I'm going to do the Frizz Me Not Anti-Frizz, the Hydrating Anti-Frizz Treatment by Amika. Love this, love her. Again, I'm going to use Olaplex number 6. I'm using about this much, and I rub it in my hands really well. You gotta rub your products. It helps to like activate it. It's even good for like your skin. Do that for your facial moisturizers. You should just do that. Do it for your face washes. It makes a world of difference, and it allows you to use less product, I feel like. Okay. This is just extra added protection for my bonds. And I typically go in with the Olaplex number 9, but I just bought this and I want to try it. It's the Pureology Hydrate Glow Catcher oil. And it's kind of like a serum, but I'm just going to do a few drops just to seal that product in. And any type of oil, you mainly want to focus on the mid shaft to ends. And it's so crazy because if you look at my hair like this, you'll be like, that girl got a lot of heat damage. She don't know what she's talking about. So you see my before, you don't know. It's all about the method and how you manipulate your hair, right? In each state that it's in. So while it's in that wet state, that's the best time to start the smoothing process, right? That is the best time. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into blow drying my hair. I'm going to section my hair into 2. And then again, I'm going to section this one into another 2. All right. Now my hair is pretty dry. Remember when I taught you, I hope you watched my other video, my silk press video, to always go vertical and then go horizontal. Okay, this is again me just holding it. I'm gonna go back in and finish it with the comb attachment. Smooth. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Remember to keep that tension on your hair, right? Keep it nice and taut, and then we're gonna pre-dry and then go back in with the comb attachment and dry the hair. Okay, I'm gonna part my hair. I like my widow's peak to peak a little bit, so I do it kind of off centered. There we go. So when I'm pressing my hair, I do about 2 passes at the roots, and then I go through to the ends, but I leave about 1 inch of the ends out because if I'm gonna curl my hair, I'm gonna allow the curling iron to finish off the ends, so it's not double exposure to heat, if that makes sense. Now, I don't chase my ends. I've been seeing a lot of people chase their ends with like bristle brushes, and I don't really see the purpose in that. You don't really have to if you have a good foundation in your blow dry. Whoa. I am going to use my 1-inch barrel to give me some different curls. Which one do I want to use? I guess I'll use this one. Yeah, 1 inch. And go in with Amika anti-humidity shield. And hairspray. So I section my hair into 2. And I'm gonna curl away from my face. So in my last silk press video, I pinned them. This time I'm not gonna pin them, and I'm not going all the way to the ends. I'm leaving about 1 inch of my hair out. I'm just gonna unravel and pull out. This kind of gives like a wavy effect. So I'm just gonna let my curls dry as dry. I'm gonna let them cool as is. I'm not gonna pin them. I'm not gonna touch them. So I'm gonna let this side cool while I do this side. I'm gonna use a little bit of hairspray on my comb. That's how you get rid of your flyaways. And I use this to also lay my edges. I just like push it back. Okay, I'm gonna let this side cool. Still warm to the touch. This side's pretty much done. So I'm gonna kind of rake it with my fingers. It's looking good so far. I'm gonna let this side cool. Okay, this side feels done. What are we thinking, ladies? We like her? What are we thinking, ladies? It looks pretty good. I like these curls. Super easy, super quick and simple. So let me show you how I go to sleep at night to preserve these curls or waves. So same thing, I divide my hair in the middle. I do my hair in fours. I take this section and I do one pin curl. And then I take the back part and I just twist with my fingers like this. And I leave about 1 inch of the ends out. And then I just pin this up. Okay. And then the same on this side. One large pin curl. And then a little loop-de-loop. And I use my duckbill clips, but you can use hair clips too. And I get the duckbill clips that doesn't have the spikes on them. And then I go to sleep. And then let me show you what it looks like when I take it out. So this literally drops like this. This will drop like that. And then the bottom, just kind of connect the two. Voila. You made it to end this video. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you found value in this content, please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your hair struggle is, because I'm in the comments with you, helping you. I will not leave you in the dust to fend for yourself, okay? You can do your hair yourself at home with my guidance.